guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So today is Monday. I have a busy day today. I have a busy work day today. As you can see, I have my lights all set up behind me because I need to record a sit down video. And I'm really excited for this one because it's gonna be my first fashion video, or not my first fashion, my first fall fashion video of the year. I'm gonna be putting together a video showing my favorite like summer to fall transition pieces. So I'm getting ready to film the sit down portion, and then I also have to try on all the outfits, and I also want to go take some photos of the outfits. So I'm gonna take the photos first just so I can get it over with because I want to go outside to take the photos. I also want to take the photos before the sun hits directly above because it's all about lighting, and I don't like photos with the sun shining right on you. So right now it's like 9 o'clock. So I still have time. I think around like 11 is when it's gonna get really bright. But I wanna go to the rooftop of the garage here at my apartment and just take some quick shots. So we're gonna do that first, and then I'll come back and I'll record the sit down portion. And then it's Monday, so we're gonna do a little Monday reset in this vlog. I need to restock on a couple grocery items. I definitely need to change my bed sheets and clean my room. Yeah, we had a lot to do today, and I just had my coffee, and I think I drank it a little bit too fast because now I'm like, whoa, like I feel very energized. I'm like sleepy and energized. Do you guys ever feel that way? Like you're so tired, but you still feel like you can get stuff done. I don't know, it's a weird feeling. But I'm also watching It's Judy's Life. They're my favorite vloggers. She is a beauty guru turned mommy blogger. They have 5 very, very beautiful baby bears, and I'm actually watching the vlog where, if you guys know Judy, or if you guys have watched her since day one, she was like just a beauty vlogger before she started having kids. And in her beauty room in their house, she has her like little like vanity set up and filming set up. But now that they just had another baby, she's like taking it down to fit another crib in the room. And it's kind of like bittersweet. She's like saying goodbye to the first part of her career and, you know, saying hello to the next chapter of her life, her family life. Oh, I'm so proud of her. I love her. So anyway, I'm gonna watch the vlog, do my makeup, and try to calm down. I need to drink some water. Yeah, let's drink some water. Okay, y'all, the makeup is done, hair is done. I actually did my hair yesterday, and every time I like crimp my hair like this with my 3-barrel waver, my hair stays like this until I wash it. Like I could go to sleep, my hair could blow away in the wind, and I could just roll around in the grass and my hair will stay this style up until I wash it. So that's why I love this hairstyle. Okay, so we're gonna go. I'm already dressed. If you want to see those outfits that I'm gonna take photos of right now, check out that video. It's probably gonna come, I'm not quite sure, maybe in a few days after this one. Okay, I'll just give you a sneak peek to this one outfit because it is so cute and I'm so obsessed with it. I had to show someone right now. But literally everything head to toe is Princess Polly. And I absolutely love this little like sweater pullover thing. It's like short in the back. So it's just like a nice thing to wear with like tank tops or tube tops like this. So that's why it's like a nice fall or summer to fall transition piece. I did not realize, maybe I realized, I guess I underestimated how hot it was gonna be today. But I shot 2 outfits outfit photos already, and I'm on my last one. Usually I'll have Anto help me, but he's busy today. So, okay, I'll sit you guys down here. We got the shot. Hi guys, so I just finished shooting my content. It took about a couple hours. So it's lunchtime now. I'm gonna make some lunch, and I figured I'd show you guys what I've been eating lately. I've been making these turkey wraps, and I've been using this protein plant powdered, what do you call it, tortilla. It has 70 calories, but it has 12 grams of fiber, and I'm trying to get like a lot more fiber in my diet. So there's a total of 3 grams of net carbs. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I just do like turkey, and the turkey I use is the one from Trader Joe's, the reduced sodium roasted turkey. And then just some onion. I got my lettuce, mayo, Dijon mustard is like my favorite condiment for sandwiches. It just adds so much flavor. And then I'll put some balsamic glaze on there, salt and pepper. By the way, I just got these new salt and pepper mills from Le Creuset, I think that's how you pronounce it. They were a splurge, but I have been eyeing these salt and pepper mill, this set for like a really long time, and such an upgrade from the previous set I had, because the ones I had before, there was no salt and pepper coming out. Here's my little lunch plate. Here's the wrap. Pretty simple, but very delicious. And those are chickpea. These ones, hippies? Yeah, hippies. They are organic chickpea puffs. They're so delicious. They taste like white cheddar, like just regular cheese puffs. And these are from Costco. Coke Zero on the side, because I am now officially a Coke Zero girl. I just got an exciting package. I am so happy that I am now a Casetify ambassador. I get all of my phone cases at Casetify, like pretty much all of them there. I love their designs. I love the quality and durability of their cases. Oh my God, this packaging is so cute. Okay, let's open her up. I did get to select the cases I wanted, but I don't think they sent all of them. Let's see what I got. So excited. Ooh. Oh my God, you know what? I think they sent me the wrong size, because when I saw the tracking info, yeah, they sent me the wrong size. But that's okay, because these are cute. I got this like mirrored one with like these white lines, and then this one, oh my God, I love this one. So cute. And then yeah, this one was cute too, this black and white block one, but this is not the size of my phone. But anyway, I'll just contact them and see if they can send a replacement. But yeah, so Casetify guys, if you want to check out their phone cases, they have iPhone, they also have Android, like Samsung cases too. And I have a discount for you guys since I'm an ambassador now, so you can check out the link in my description. It's casetify.com/Stephanie Rose. I just put one of the cases on. So pretty. And it's like really sleek looking too. I like the bumpers around it. Protects it, but it's like not too bulky. Okay, I changed into comfy clothes. And let me fix this camera. I just literally got more packages right now in the mail. I went to go check my mail actually. It's been probably a week since I checked my mail. That's always a bad idea because it just builds up. So I have a ton of packages to open. This one is from insert name here. Ah! How perfect! My favorite hot tool. It's a 3-barrel curler. This is literally what I use to get this hairstyle, in case you're wondering. This is what that tool looks like. Oh, Love the colors of this. Also, this is a heat protectant. Yes, I actually needed a new one. Flame Fighter, protects, moisturizes, and nourishes. That is so cute, love that. Okay, the next one is Girlfriend Collective. I've actually tried their pieces before. I have a couple of their leggings and sports bras and I really love the quality. So this is another brand I am an ambassador for. So I do have a discount code, I'll link it in my description, but I got these biker shorts, obsessed with their biker shorts. And then I got a matching sports bra. I love the shape of this one. I got one of those like sport dresses. I thought this was gonna be black. Oh man, it's blue. I don't really like blue. Actually, no, navy blue is kind of cute. I could totally rock navy blue. But it's like a racer back. It has a built-in sports bra, or does it not? Oh, it does, kind of. It's like, doesn't have the pad, but it has a little bit of security there. And then of course the built-in shorts. So this is great for working out, exercising, hiking, going outside, or just wearing comfortably. So thank you, Girlfriend Collective. So yes, I do believe I have a code for Girlfriend Collective. Okay, a last one is from my friends at Ren Skincare. Oh my god, what is in here? Wow, it looks like a lot. See guys, this is why I do skincare giveaways, because they just be sending me so much. Cool, I got a sweatshirt, or I think it's a hoodie, right? Ooh, I like that. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Can you see? Yeah, a lot of goodies on the inside. It comes with this little canvas tote bag. Friends don't let friends use single-use plastic. Love it. We love sustainability. Yeah, these packages that they ship in, these are reusable, so I always reuse these. We have a clean canteen. Ooh, straws. Reusable metal straws. They're a rose gold color. Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium body wash. We have the oil jelly cleanser, the Ready Steady Glow AHA tonic, overnight recovery balm. This is my favorite product. Yay, I'm so excited. I have a restock. Barrier support elixir, sorry. I can't pronounce things like a lot of the times. Oh, I love this product too. Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream, Glow and Protect Serum, Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Just what I need. Yes, thank you. Global Protection Day Cream and the Redness Relief Serum. I love these products. Thank you very much, Ren Skincare. This is why I do giveaways regularly. I will probably do another one sometime, maybe in like September. I just did one a few weeks ago on my Instagram. I think next time I'll do it for my YouTuber friends, my people that watch me on YouTube, because it's been a while since I've done one on YouTube. So yes, very, very blessed and grateful for the opportunity to receive these things. So, okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. So yeah, I need to go like get stuff done now. I mean, I have been, but I need to go take care of the house now. I need to go clean my office up. All the clothes, I just did a haul fashion video, so my office has like clothes everywhere. I need to go, you see how dark my bedroom is? It's so, because I need to change my bed sheets and just clean that room, so. Sorry that it's really bright behind me. That's the window. I had no other place to put my camera, but I'm actually standing at my standing desk. I need to raise it up a bit. Okay, but yeah, I just cleaned my office, put all the clothes away, the lights, all my equipment, and before I like finish cleaning, I want to plan out my meals for the week. This is my new little meal planner. I just picked this up from Amazon. I like this better than that little planner I was using because I don't really use that planner except for the meal planner part. So I just needed just this itself. And this has magnetic strips so you can hang it on your fridge if you want. But I keep it on my desk because this is where I plan everything. Oh my God, my desk is moving. Oopsies, let me lock this before it moves again. Okay. Yeah, so you can write down your day of the week, like each meal, and right next to it you can write down the ingredients you need for said meals and also just whatever else you need from the grocery store. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually just order on Instacart because today's been so busy. I don't think I have time to like leave and go out and go grocery shopping, so it's just gonna save me time if I order them. And also it just helps keep me organized so I can like order or like place the order on my phone while I'm looking at my list, and it's just a lot easier. I don't always use Instacart, just sometimes. So yeah, we're gonna do this now. I think what I want to make today is chicken stir fry. I bought a stir fry mix from Trader Joe's and I have chicken that's already defrosted. So we'll do that for my meal prep because I'm gonna meal prep again. So an update also, since I'm talking about food, I showed myself meal prepping for the first time in, I think it was my last vlog, and I was talking about how meal prepping was never successful for me in the past because I don't like to eat 4 or 5 day old food. I also don't like to eat the same thing for 5 days a week. So I just tried out doing 2 to 3 days. I think it was 3 days I ate those meals. And first of all, those meals were really delicious. If you want to check out what I made like vegetables and chicken. Go check out that vlog. Things are just like all over the place today. I'm like dropping things. My desk is moving without me even looking. So yeah, I'll link that vlog if you want to go check out that meal. I thought it was so convenient. The days I was busy, I didn't have to worry about cooking. I literally just popped, grabbed one of the meals out of the fridge, popped it in the microwave, and it was healthy. So I think it's also really helping with my like weight loss journey because I'm currently trying to like lose weight, get in shape. So I think it's really helping with that too. So I will do that again. We'll do chicken stir fry today and tomorrow on Tuesday, and then Wednesday. Oh wait, actually, okay, scratch that. Because I have pork chops in the fridge, also from Trader Joe's. I need to cook those. And I want to eat asparagus with that, so I need to order some asparagus. Okay, what week is it? Sorry guys, when I think out loud, it sounds really hectic because that's how my mind is. My mind is just all over the place, so frantic. Okay, it's the week of the 22nd. All right, so today we're doing pork chops, asparagus. Tomorrow we're gonna do chicken stir fry. Okay, so that's what I have so far. So I will continue my meal menu and shopping list, and I will show you guys what I come up with. Here is what I came up with. By the way, I got my gel pens in the mail. I did an office haul like a few vlogs back, and I finally got my Erin Condren gel pens and also the notebook. It's engraved. It's so beautiful. I love it. And I love the color. That's my old notebook. Look how raggedy it is. I need to transfer some information that's in there into here, but so cute. Anyway, I digress. So this is my menu. The pork chops for tonight with the asparagus. I should probably write that. Pork chops with asparagus, and then the chicken stir fry meal prep will be tomorrow. I think I might make that tonight if I have the time and energy. I'll make chicken parm with wheat. Please ignore my spelling. I forgot how to spell here, but chicken parm on wheat spaghetti. So I have wheat spaghetti noodles here, low-fat mozzarella, and then I also want to make salmon bites, a bowl with cucumber and carrots. So I have cucumber, I already have carrots, seaweed for the bowl, and then just random stuff, and that's that. So you can also like rip off the shopping list and bring it with you if you go to the store, but I'm just gonna do an Instacart order. Order is confirmed. Okay, so while I wait for my groceries to get here, I'm going to continue cleaning and just getting stuff done around the house. so I do have a little bit of time. So I'm going to, before I make the pork chops for dinner, I will make my chicken stir fry. I got this stir fry mix. It's just the vegetables. It does come with the sauce, but I'm gonna add chicken to it. So I'm gonna cut up my chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. And then just to give it more flavor, I'm gonna add this to the chicken, this teriyaki sauce. And then I also have some rice cooking. I'll eat some of that with the pork chops tonight. I have to eat every meal with rice. That's just the Asian in me. Alright, so here are this week's meal prep meals. Everything is still hot, the rice and the, everything. So I'm gonna just let it air out and cool off before I put them in the fridge. I'll link these meal prep containers in my description. I got them from Target, they're also on Amazon, but they come with a set of 5 of the containers and then 5 lids, so 10 in total, and it's like airtight, so these are great for packing your lunch for work or school or anything. I just vacuumed everywhere, like literally everywhere, every room, every bathroom. Okay, I know this is gross, I'm sorry, but also this is so satisfying. It was literally down to here, and after vacuuming the whole place, and like I vacuum a lot, so dang. Okay, y'all, just spent the last few hours editing my fashion video, the one that I filmed this morning, so I'm taking a break. I just need to like take my makeup off really quick because I hate having makeup on when I'm just like trying to relax, because I feel like I can't put my head down. I can't put my face down on my pillows because they're white and they're gonna get stained. Okay, so it's dinner time. I'm going to make the pork chops and the asparagus that I got today. And the pork chops I got are just the ones that are bone-in from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna just season this kind of lightly with salt, pepper, maybe a little bit of thyme, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I'm gonna grill them on the stove. And I think for the asparagus, usually I boil it, but I think tonight I will grill them. I'll make some grilled asparagus. dinner is done. This smells absolutely delicious. My night routine every night has been just to watch Love Island. I have never had a show that I have loved so much that is on like a new episode every single night aside from Mondays. But I'm catching up on the weekends episodes because I missed Saturdays and Sundays episode. So I'm watching that currently, and that's gonna be it for my night. And I'm gonna end the vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on my next one.